Have you ever dated someone only to realize you have been looking at them through rose-colored glasses? In real estate, ensuring your view isn't skewed means understanding different valuation lenses, sales, cost, and income approaches. Guys, I'm Amit Grover at ECMP Studios, where today we're going to decode these methodologies to ensure your next investment is seen in the right light. Let's first talk the sales approach. This approach is like swiping through a dating app, comparing potential matches. Here, you're going to evaluate a property based on the sales prices for similar properties in the same area. It's all about the comps, comparable properties. This method is great for most property types, but shines with residential and simpler commercial properties. It answers that question: what are others paying for something similar? Let's talk number 2, the cost approach. Imagine if you had to rebuild your date from scratch. Whoa, creepy, but useful in property valuation. The cost approach calculates what it would cost to replace the property new, minus any depreciation. It's particularly useful for unique properties that don't have many comparables. Think churches or special use facilities. It gives you a baseline. What would it cost to recreate this? Number 3, the income approach. This approach is about the long haul, kind of like marrying into royalty for the inheritance. It values a property based on income it generates, which can be projected into present value using a capitalization rate. Click below to at least see more videos about that. But this approach is best for investment properties. This method looks at potential rental income, operating expenses, and net operating income. It's a deep dive into a property's financial health and potential profitability. Engage with us. Which valuation method do you find most relevant for your investment strategy? Do you have a preference based on the type of properties you're looking at? I would love to hear about your thoughts below. As we look ahead, remember that each of these approaches has its own strengths and weaknesses, and a savvy investor knows how to use them in concert. Next time, we will take a closer look at one specific facet of the cost approach: understanding cost per unit and price per square foot. Stay tuned if you're interested in getting down to the nuts and the bolts of property valuation. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more detailed dives into commercial real estate here at ECMP Studios. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay